Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create, drop and alter SQL tables and the relationships between SQL tables. To create, drop or alter tables, we can do it graphically using SQL Server Management Studio or using query. To create table using a query, we use this command: create table, table name, open brackets, column name, and put the data type for it, then close brackets. For example, we need to create these two tables, employee table and gender table. Employee table have two columns. ID column. This column is used as primary key, and we will explain the keys type later. And the other column is name column. This column saves the name of each employee. The gender table have two columns, ID column and gender column. Let's see how to create them graphically and with query, also how to drop or alter them. Open SQL Management Studio. In previous video, we create test database. Who didn't watch it, you can find the link in video description below. Expand test database and expand tables. As you see, there are no tables as we didn't create it yet. Right-click the Tables node and then select New Table, type column name as ID. Choose data types as integer and don't allow null. Add another column as name. Choose data types as varchar 50 and don't allow null. Then save the table as TBL employee. Refresh Tables node. You see TBL employee created. Now we will create gender table using query. Open new query, then write this command to create gender table. Create table gender, open brackets, ID integer not null. Gender varchar 50 not null. Then close brackets, then execute the command. Refresh tables node. You see gender table created. To delete table graphically, from SQL Management Studio, right-click Employee Table and click Delete. You will see the table is deleted. To delete table using query, open new query and write this command. Drop table, type the table name. We will delete gender table, so we will write drop table gender, then execute query. You will see the table is deleted. This is the end of this video. See you next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.